So I just got this package 5 minutes ago. I'm excited to open it. I guess do the unboxing. Nice. It's $10. It's pretty nice. It stands out. Very retro. Let's try this. Oops. That thing. Casio guarantee. And the battery is already on. When you get it, oh. So watch I just saw and I had to add to my collection. Feels lighter than my watches, but it's a Casio. And it's very retro. Calculator. Has a brushed gold color, so I like that. I guess over here is where you change the length for your wrist. Guess you pop that up and then you just put this back and forth. And you clip it on. So 88. Okay, I'm gonna take this off then. Sounds nice. 88 divided by 4. 22. Nice. Reset. So I'm gonna play around with it, but yeah. Okay. Enjoy.